When we are installing SCCM client, in case error code 0x87D00227, if this error comes up, why it come and how to fix it. That is what we are going to cover in this particular video. In case if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe so that you get more updates with reference to MECM, that is Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Now, coming back to this particular error is linked with metered connection. As you see over here, client deployment cannot be fulfilled since use of meter network is not allowed. Let us understand what does meter connection or meter refer to. This particular meter is where it's a feature that has been provided by Windows. In the terms, if you see this particular line as per the Microsoft support document, a meter connection is an internet connection that has a data limit associated with it. Now, basically this feature is useful in case if a device is trying to get certain updates, and if the metering is turned on, if a particular device is using a mobile hotspot and we have a limited data pack with that particular mobile hotspot that we are using, this particular feature may be useful so that unwanted updates can be restricted. However, in our case, as we are installing SCCM client, it is trying to get the data, but this particular metering is stopping it. So with reference to this, we understood that what is metering, and now we will go ahead and how to disable this particular feature so that our client installs successfully. So for this particular thing, we need to go to our network adapter properties. As you see over here, I go to this particular properties, and from where I'm installing it is communicating is the internal client. As you see, set as metered connection is turned on, so I need to turn it off. Once this particular connection is turned off, I can just close this particular window and I can look forward to reinstall the SCCM client. So I have a setup in my C drive. I'm just going to run CCM setup command line and we'll press enter. So now as we are running this command, purposely I have used CM trace so that we can know what updates is happening in the live real time. So as you see, the updates over here, it's downloading. We are watching the progress as it happens. As you see, the communication is in progress, it is established. Installation takes a while, so we have to be patient as it's configuring the configuration manager SCCM client tool on this particular device. Also, we can see the logs folder which is created by default in Windows CCM logs. There will be certain updates that will happen as and when the communication is established. As you see over here, the folders are getting updated, and also as you see, CCM setup is exiting with return code 0. Now this return code 0 is very much important because that means that it is a successful installation. Now that is the best way to fix this particular issue which is linked with metering connection, that is error code 0x87D00227. If you feel that yes, this information that is provided is useful and there is a lot of value addition that you have received from this particular video, please like and comment, because your comments are helping me to come up with more valuable knowledge sessions. So thank you for watching this particular video. Do like to subscribe. We will see you again in the next video. This is Yagnesh Malavya signing off. Thank you.